Budgeting is one of the fundamental ways to manage your financial resources correctly. One of the most significant advantages of budgeting is that it allows you to control your money and live a more frugal lifestyle. Additionally, budgeting allows you to create an emergency fund for unforeseen circumstances. The first step in budgeting is to determine your monthly income clearly. Calculate your salary, additional income, and other sources of revenue to establish how much money you have. Then, determine your monthly expenses. List your bills, rent or mortgage payments, food and drink expenses, education, health, and other expenditures. The difference between these two lists shows you how much you can save per month. If your expenses are higher than your income, you may need to make a few changes to save money. These changes may include cutting luxury expenses, eating out less, or moving to a less expensive home. When planning a budget, remember that some expenses are irregular. Therefore, it's essential to create an emergency fund for unexpected expenses such as car repairs or home maintenance. This emergency fund can be in the form of a savings account or an investment account. Budgeting benefits not only your finances but also your psychology. Eliminating stress and anxiety caused by uncontrolled spending can make you a happier and more relaxed person. When budgeting, you can create a reward system for achieving your goals. For example, reward yourself when you save a certain amount of money. This can be a motivation source for you to follow your budget. Another crucial step is to categorize your expenses. This helps you understand where you spend more and where you can cut back. For example, if you notice that your food and drink expenses are high, you can make changes such as eating out less or shopping at cheaper stores. This way, you can clearly see where to focus on saving. Also, regularly review and update your budget. When there are changes in your life, such as changing jobs, moving, or growing your family, it's important to revisit and adjust your budget accordingly. Finally, be patient when budgeting. Budgeting is a learning process for everyone, and it may be challenging to get everything right at first. However, over time, you will improve and gain more confidence in managing your money. Budgeting is one of the best ways to take control of your financial future. By managing your income and expenses, you can manage your money more efficiently, reach your goals faster, and reduce stress. When creating a budget, one important step is to remember that some expenses are not regular. Therefore, it's important to create an emergency fund for unexpected expenses such as car repairs or home maintenance. This emergency fund can be in the form of a savings account or investment account. Creating a budget not only benefits you financially but also psychologically. Getting rid of the stress and worry that comes with uncontrolled spending can make you a happier and more relaxed person. When creating a budget, you can also set up a reward system for yourself to help you reach your goals. For example, you can reward yourself when you save a certain amount of money. This can be a motivating factor to keep you on track with your budget. Another important step is categorizing your expenses. This can help you understand where you are spending more money and where you can cut back. For example, if you notice that you're spending a lot of money on food and drinks, you can make changes such as eating out less or shopping at cheaper supermarkets. This can help you see clearly where you need to focus on to save money. It's also important to review and update your budget regularly. When changes occur in your life, such as a job change, moving, or family growth, it's important to review your budget and adjust your expenses accordingly. Be patient when creating a budget. Budgeting is a learning process for everyone, and it can be challenging to get everything right at first. However, over time, you'll get better at it and gain more confidence in managing your finances. Creating a budget is one of the best ways to take control of your financial future. By managing your income and expenses, you can save money in a more efficient way and achieve your future goals faster. Additionally, budgeting can reduce stress and help you attain a healthier financial future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.